Welcome to this course in which I'm going to teach you how to create a new product every month and launch a new product every month. And this is a great skill to have. Now, why is this skill important? Well, a lot of the successful marketers out there are good at launching new products consistently. And that's the thing with internet marketing is that you always have to have fresh new products out there. So this course is going to go over that. I myself I create new products every month for a membership, and sometimes I choose to also launch them. So in terms of the product creation part, I've got that patted down. I've It's become second nature for me to create products. So I'll give you some tips on how to do that in this course. And I will show you all the other things you need to do in order to have a successful launch.